That's me. 9 months in, 9 months out. Hi. Hi, Mama. Sarah. Look who is all of 9 months and ready for their photos. Ready for your photos, Mama? Yes. Ready, ready? Ready, ready? Let's do this.
I think
Stand. Wait. Is this one you want?
is the phone.
Me and her go fighting, you know, for the little picture.
Yeah. You okay? I was about to
The
say
struggle is on.
the movie maker.
Alright, since she playing down there, so it is. Yeah. Go. Look. Look at her.
The bigger she gets.
She can't stay still.
Pretty. Yeah.
But your in bow in here. Watch your bow fall out too. Give you guys an idea of how I prepared Sarah's food stash for a few days, like 3 days. So in here, this will be her dinner for a few days. I have sweet potatoes and broccoli. That is all that is in here, and all I'm going to do in this pot now is add a little water, and that's it. And in this pot, this is gonna be her lunch for a few days, and in this one I have zucchini, carrot, and Irish potato, and a few pieces of chicken. And all I'm gonna add to this is some water, and that's it. And if you realize I only have meat in one of them, only in the one with the lunch, because her doctor recommended that it's easier to give her meat at lunch and not at dinner, because it's harder to digest at night. So that is why we don't give her meat for dinner. But to each his own, you can do it however you want. So I'm just gonna cook these, then blend them in my blender and show you guys how I store Sarah food. So yeah, that's how I prepare her lunch and dinner for a few days. And my recommendation is the easiest way to get your babies to eat veggies is to always mix their veggie with something sweet. Though my kids, and especially Sarah, she eats anything, so it's okay to give her whatever, but just in case she doesn't like anything, I just mix it with her favorite, which is carrot or sweet potato. Anything sweet goes with the veggie, and that works. You guys, I promised you that I would show you what Sarah food look like after I finish cooking it. So this will be dinner for a few days, and this will be lunch for a few days. And I like to store them in this jar, that way it won't spoil and it's really safe in here. So yeah, there you have it, food for a few days. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Today my girl is all of 9 months old. My gray here is saying hello to you guys. My gray, embrace the gray. Yo, embrace the grays. Yes girl, embrace the gray. Anyway, enough of my gray here. I just love them. I wanted to dye them at one point when I saw them coming up, but I'm like, girl, it just means that you're alive and you're aging gracefully, okay? So today my girl is 9 months old. If you are new to our channel, welcome to the fam bam, and subscribe right now, because what are you waiting for? And give this video a thumbs up right now. My girl is 9 months old today. Let that sink in. 9 months old. This morning I was going through my phone and scrolling through and looking back from when she's 1 month to now, and I'm like, oh my god, this is crazy, all the changes that she's gone through. And right now as we speak, she's on the monitor, on the camera, waking up. So hopefully I'll be able to go pick her up so you guys can see her, to insert her in this video. Let's do this. Hopefully she'll allow me, but that's okay. This is real life here. So Sarah is now 9 months old. My girl is eating like a champ and sleeping like a champ because I sleep trained her. Let's start with sleep training. So I sleep trained Sarah, and Sarah is now sleeping through the night like a champ. And if you're wondering what method I use to sleep train Tyler, the exact same to sleep train Sarah is the exact same method that I use to sleep train Tyler. The cry it out method. Not every parents go for this method, but it worked for me, so it's okay for me. We sleep trained for 3 nights, and that was it. Night 1, my girl cried for 11 minutes, and then she was out. She woke up at midnight for her bottle. Hold on, let me go and get her, and I'll be right back because she's awake. So let's go get her. Let's go get the princess of the hour. Hello, gorgeous girl. Hello, hello, hello. Hi there. How was your nap? Hello, girl. How was that nap, girl? Was it good? Was it good? Good? There she goes. There goes my princess. There she goes. She's a whole mood when she wakes up. She looks completely different whenever she's awake.
Hey, Mommy, my little crier.
That's brother. Look at this sleep here. Look at this sleep here. Huh? Look at this sleep here. Look at this sleep here and sleep face. Hi. Hello. You had a good nap? Yeah. Oh, say hello to the face. Look, they're right there. Say hello to the face. Anyway, you guys, let's see if I can get through this a little bit before I give her her bottle, because it's snack time, but this video won't be long. Anyway, so I sleep trained her for 3 nights. Night 1, she cried 11 minutes, and at this point she was just waking up at one time in the night, which is midnight, for a bottle. So this was my chance to sleep train her and cut out the night feed. So she had wake up midnight for the bottle because that's her routine at the time. That's what she used to. However, I did not go and pick her up, and she cried for like 5 minutes and then fall back asleep. Night 2, the method that I use. Oh, what's wrong? The method that I use is dinner, bath, and bed. So I give her dinner, give her a bath, and put her down, kiss her good night, put her down in the bed, and leave her there. So that's the method that we use. I'm going to give, anyway you guys, I'm gonna give her a snack, which is a bottle, and come right back to finish up this video. Telling you that I sleep trained her for 3 nights, and the method that I use is dinner, bath, bed, and it worked. Night 1 she cried for approximately 11 minutes and then fell asleep on her own, and she had woke up midnight for a bottle because that was her routine before we started sleep training. However, I didn't go pick her up, I just watched her on the camera. It's very important that when you're sleep training your baby, you have a camera so that you can see what they're doing and their every move. Tyler, go for Sarah pacifier on the kitchen counter, so I could watch her on the camera to see what she's doing. So I did that for night 1, and I did the same method for night 2. She cried a few minutes, then fell asleep, and then midnight was the same. She wake up for a bottle, cry a few minutes, and then went back to sleep. And then night 3 she didn't cry any at all. Midnight she made a little sound and then went back to sleep. And then night 4 was smooth sailing. Night 4, no cries at the beginning, no cry through the night, and it's been like that ever since 8 months. So she's now 9 months, like mid 8 months. Mid 8 months. So she's been sleep trained for like 3 to 4 weeks now, and she's been doing so well. So she goes to bed 8 o'clock on the dot. So by 7 o'clock she already start get whiny. She start rub her eye. By 7:20 to 7:30 she have dinner, and by 7:45 she's getting a bath, and by 8 o'clock she's in bed. Of course sometimes you go over like 8:10, but no longer than that. She's in bed, and as you put her down she's out. So that's been her routine, and she wakes up 6 o'clock for her bottle, and she'll go back to sleep and then wake up at 8 o'clock. Sometimes she goes straight to 8 o'clock and skip out the 6 o'clock wake up. So when she wakes in the morning, I give her this bottle full of milk, but I add cereal to it, and then she'll go down for her morning nap. And because she's sleep trained, so her naps are longer, and I don't really have to rock her to sleep. What I do in the mornings, I get her fresh just before nap time, change her diaper, wipe her down and stuff like that, and change her clothes, and she go down for a morning nap, and she will nap for like an hour and a half. And then when she wakes up, she plays a bit and then have lunch. And for example, what she have for lunch is what I'm going to show you right now. So that's the idea of what Sarah have for lunch. It's her lunch hour right now, and she's having this bowl half with food, and this is puree food that I made. This is Irish potato and fish. I cook it and then puree in my blender. She's having a little water and a small yogurt, and that's my little foodie's lunch. She just left a little bit of the potato yogurt down. Ta-da! Big girl. That's an example of lunch. And then after lunch she goes down for a nap at 2, and she'll nap for 2 hours, which brings us to snack time right now at 4. And at 4 o'clock she have this bottle full of milk, as you guys can see probably where it was, all the way up here. Most times she drinks it off, but now as you guys can see she left a little bit in there. And at 4 o'clock I don't put any cereal in the milk, it's just the milk that I give her. And then that take us right back to dinner time. So she's gonna play right now until it's dinner time, so she don't eat again until dinner time. So that's Sarah's routine right now. And of course her brother still remain her #1 fan. She's still not saying mama, she's still only saying papa and Tyler. And she enjoys playing alone as much as how she enjoys playing with her brother. Still no teeth as yet. She's still teething away, but no teeth haven't popped up. Where walking is concerned, she's now walking faster on her own in terms of hold on and walk. She's now letting go fully on her own. She's now standing up on her own without any support, without any holding on. So that's where she is. So I know the walking will be coming. I won't be surprised if in next month's 10 months update I tell you guys that she's walking. I won't be surprised because she's moving so fast, and I think it might just happen when she's 10 months going on to 11. But let's see. But as you guys can see, she's a little warrior. She's full of energy. She doesn't stay one place at no given time. She's always on the go. Yes, Tyler.
Sarah, I'm not 1 year old.
Yeah, she eats everything that I eat. Right now her brother is having popcorn and that's what she wants. Let me show you. Look at her. You want popcorn? Look. She eats everything. I'm gonna chew it up and just give her some, and sometimes I just let her suck the.
Thank you, Mama.
Since it's pure ear, sometimes I just put the small pieces in her mouth and let she suck it. Like you just go for the pieces and put it in her mouth, and it just dissolves in her mouth, because really that's what popcorn does. And Sarah loves dancing, especially when she get food, she dance. Stand here. Dance. Hey, hey. And she loves yogurt. Yogurt is her favorite. Look at her. You see her dancing? Foodie. Foodie. Go foodie. Go foodie. Go foodie. 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 How you know that Sarah loves something is when you give it to her, she dance. You see her? That's her signature when she approves. That's her signature when she approves. I know you guys are looking forward to my postpartum body 9 months later, and this is moi. That's me. 9 months in, 9 months out. Right, mama, this is us. That's moi. Ta-da. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this 9 months update of Sarah. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up on YouTube, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Look at him. Look at this one around here. Sarah is gonna join in right now. Have some playtime. You're going to play with brother? Call Tyler. 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 Call Tyler.